Jamie. You're a valuable team member. But you're also so much more than that. You're family. Our team wouldn't be the same without your bright ideas, positive outlook, or homemade freshly baked treats on Friday. From your goal-getter spirit, your extra dedication to meet project deadlines, your above and beyond late nights to master your degree, and the constant encouragement you give to your teammates, our appreciation for you is endless. No matter the moment, life is worth celebrating, and we want to celebrate with you. From your first day to your birthday, and all the yay moments in between. We're here, cheering you on as life happens. Welcome to the team. Congrats on 10 years. Happy birthday. We're thinking of you. Sincerely, Delightly.